Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I'm going to be going over a turning anti-spin flower. So that's going to look something like this. Pretty much the prerequisites for these moves are going to be an anti-spin. You're going to want to be able to do it in both directions. Essentially, you're going to be moving the hoop at 4 points. So it's going to be to the side, above your body, to the side, and down in front. So when you move the hoop, it's always going to be when it is swinging in that direction. So as it swings up and to the left, that's when you move. As it swings down and up, you bring your hand up here, down and to the side, and then down in front. So you always want to be moving your hand as the hoop is swinging in that direction. So to add the turn into this move, you're going to be turning as you go over to your dominant side. So right here. Once you're in this position, you're going to re-grip the hoop. So what I always suggest is as you're here, you're going to grip the hoop and you're going to turn over your dominant shoulder and you're going to use that grip on the hoop to change the direction of your anti-spin. So as you turn, you're going to bring the hoop down in front of you and you're going to open up your grip on the hoop like this. So you grip, you're going to bring it behind and open. As you are in this position, you're going to want to release your grip on the hoop and the hoop is going to be continuing that motion and then you're going to go immediately into the reverse anti-spin. So let me show you as I am facing behind. So this is the anti-spin. And then once you come over to your dominant side, you're going to grip, bring it down, release, and then immediately go into the anti-spin. My hand open and just let the hoop roll over the back of my hand and then using that momentum to continue the move. Start turning as it approaches your dominant side, re-grip, bring it down, and then go into that anti-spin from here. To turn back around, we're gonna grip the hoop and we're going to swing the hoop up and then go into an anti-spin from here. Re-grip the hoop to turn behind us as it comes over to our dominant side. We're going to swing it down, let it roll, go into that reverse anti-spin. As it comes over to your dominant side, you're going to re-grip. I like to let the hoop roll over my thumb as I swing it up. And then once we're in this position, we can release and go into that anti-spin. The direction change is always going to happen as the hoop is coming over to your dominant side. So we're going from a forward anti-spin, dominant side. Now we're going to turn over our dominant shoulder, change the direction by re-gripping the hoop and letting it roll over the back of our hand. Then we're back here on our dominant side. Now we're going to allow the hoop to swing up and then go into that forward anti-spin. So the move is going to look something like this. Before you even attempt this move, you should definitely get comfortable going in both directions using your dominant hand and resetting your grip and kind of taking a very slight pause so you can get control of the hoop and you can make a clean transition into the directional change of your anti-spin. So as we turn behind us, we're going to be sending the hoop down. And as we turn back around, we're going to be sending the hoop up. I really like this move because not only are you using the space around your body, but you're also incorporating that nice turn. So it makes your flow look a little bit more dynamic and interesting. All right, Hoopers, I hope that helped. If you're getting stuck at any point during this move, let me know down in the comments. And if you want to see more tutorials like this, be sure to check out my channel and consider subscribing. Like this video, leave a comment, share it with a friend. It just helps us grow the community even bigger together. All right, I will see you in the next one. Happy hooping.